Notion is a powerful and user-friendly productivity tool that is especially useful for note-taking, writing, managing to-do lists, team collaboration, and overall task management. It helps you stay organized by combining all your planning and writing needs in one place. To get started, simply add a new page. You can personalize it by adding an icon or a cover photo to make it visually appealing. Give your page a random title, such as Pending Work. Notion offers many built-in features like templates and even an AI assistant to generate content or structure for you. For example, if you want to create a table to manage your pending tasks, just give a command and you can easily customize and edit it later. You can also use different heading styles, change text colors, and format your content to make it more readable. Inside the main page, you can create sub-pages, for instance, a to-do list. You can list tasks like writing, learning to code, or studying and tick them off as you complete them. Now, when you open the pending work page, you'll see another page inside it for your tasks. You can also share your pages and notes with friends, classmates, or colleagues, making it a great tool for teamwork and collaboration.